I'm John Peeler, and you're about to enter the Foodie Zone. What's up, YouTubers, ghouls, and goblins? Today, for All Hallows Eve, we're going to be doing a spooky recipe to satiate your inner gremlin. We're going to be doing pickle milk. This one's going to be a simple recipe for you guys out there. Prep time, about 15 minutes. Cook time, 0 minutes. Perfect for you bachelors out there, huh? Microwave only. Ingredients list, pretty simple. Exactly what you expect. Pickles, milk, and a little trick for later, your finest mustard. We'll see where that goes. And over here, your finest Pinot Noir glass, or you can use a pint glass, mug, doesn't really matter. As long as it can hold a liquid, you can drink out of it. That's what I always say. My producers wanted me to amend that last shot and mention that these are Clausen's pickles. We are currently working on a sponsorship deal with them, trying to maybe send my kids to college, make a little bit of money. Step one, pretty easy. I'm gonna peel these little suckers, huh? They call me John Peeler, they don't call me that for nothing. So first step, we gotta get one of these suckers out of the jar. The juicy one. Oh, would you look at that? Maybe it looks like a witch's finger or something. It's like for Halloween. Alright, so right here we got probably like our bog standard, kind of like pickle right here. And let's check out the specifications of this bad boy. Stem attached, maybe about like three and a bit inches. Kind of on a bit of the thicker side for a pickle here, huh? Well, we're gonna be peeling this bad boy right here with our standard peeler, like a vegetable peeler, I think this would be. So let's go ahead and start. Now you're gonna want to go slow, steady, and make even peels. Save the skins. Great snack for later. And you're gonna just want to continue till this sucker is peeled. Look at that. It's got like warts on it, maybe like a frog, kind of the whole Halloween theme, huh? So just keep doing this till your pickle's all done. Chop this little end off here. Get the stem, huh? It's a cool little stem. Then I'm gonna want to make like a lengthwise cut. Pretty good, huh? Like a little slug. A little slug maybe, huh? Look at that. And then we're gonna have this pickle here in 2 halves. All right, so now that you got your pickle here in halves, I'm gonna want to chop them into like slices. But I guess it's gonna be like a half slice. This recipe doesn't really make sense. Anyway, so just start chopping, and yeah, just keep going until that pickle is all done, huh? All right, next you're gonna want to begin dicing your pickle. So that's like that's when you do this, pretty much. You just cut it into like little cubes. Imagine if there were like little dice pieces. You'd be playing a game. Ooh, we lost a couple there. Hold on. But yeah, dicing is kind of a lot like playing dice. You have little dice pieces. Anyway, that's about all we gotta do for the dicing part. And what would pickle milk be without milk, huh? So we're gonna need some milk here. Whole milk will do. You're gonna wanna pour that at a 45-degree angle and straighten out as you pour. That's to avoid a large head on your pickle milk. So next, you're just going to want to transfer your now diced pickle into the milk. Pretty simple, huh? You know, making this pickle milk really brings me back to my days in elementary school. I used to make this dish as a little treat. After a long day of school, I would do my math homework, I would take my books out of my bag, and I would fire up the old cutting board, and I would make a pickle milk for myself. You know, unwind after a long day. So it's like a little throwback to my youth. Now you might be thinking, what more is there to pickle milk, huh? We got pickle, we got milk. And if you wanted just like a simple recipe, you could stop right there. A novice might stop right there. Someone who's intimidated by cooking might stop right there. We like to take it a little extra step further. And to tie in with our Hallows Eve theme, we're going to be incorporating our witch's brew into the mix. So we're just gonna let that simmer in here for about 4 minutes. Just let that ferment. All right, now that looks about done. So right there, you got yourself a pickle milk, just like how I used to make it when I was a kid. Perfect for Halloween, enchanted with the witch's brew. And hey, if you wanted to step it up your presentation, maybe like a little rim ornament, huh? A little something like that going on, huh? That's kind of cute. Well, there you have it. It's pickle milk. Now, we all know I love pickle milk, and you probably do too after trying out this amazing recipe. But the key to a good recipe is that everyone's got to like it. Otherwise, you'd be sitting at home eating peanut butter and jellies all day, because if you like it, it must be good enough, right? Wrong. Other people got to like it too. So, we're going to try it out we're going to give it to our official taste tester. My roommate Gary. He loves pickles, so he's gonna love this one. Why don't you give that one a go? He hasn't eaten in a while. He likes it. He's just happy to eat. That's too much. That's not. Well, that's about all the time we have for today. I am your host, John Peeler, reminding you to keep your eyes peeled for new episodes of my show, and also to remind you of the delightful crunch of a Clausen's pickle. All right. Am I great? Shit's fucking gross. Someone clean this shit up.